Roshine kiroko tene thukuru-ini wa airetu wa Eregi, aciari marokire kugira ciana ciao thutha wa gututhuka kwa murimu KIRIGA uria dariri ciaguo ni arutwo kuinaina maguru na kuremwo ni gwitwara. Giikaro kia muthenya wa ira gatagati ga thukuru na aciari gitina ciara matunda indi kiracungiriirie wagagu makiria gatagati ka arutwo aria marathukangirie indo hwai wa ira makienda gwitikirio kuinuka undu uria ucungiriirie thukuru uyu kuhingurira aciari mirango kiroko kia umuthi.
The students at one point started hurling stones at the police. They have injured quite a few police officers. Some of them actually, some students were actually also injured in the presence of their colleagues hurling stones at the police officers.
Kuringana na bodi ya thukuru uyu, arutwo matanyihiire 1,000 nimetikiritio kuinuka na banene ari arutwo a form 1, 2 na 3.
Maybe in another day or two, we might see more parents insisting that their children who might have gone home during the panic yesterday or this morning, returning to school to prepare for the exams.
There are some in class, things are going on well, parents are pinging their students, some are saying no, let them be here. So we thank God for all that.
Ona kuhanoro uguo, aciari aingi aria ciana ciao itanyitwo gwika kigeranio gia KCSE matinainuka na ciana ciao makiiga mwihoko kuri thukuru gutashukia makinya ma ihenya thina uyu ungihiriria.
Tumefurahia kama wazazi wenye tumefurahia kuacha walimu wanafunzi wetu kwa mikono ya walimu, tunajua kwa salama.
Wengine wamechukua watoto wao nyumbani, lakini mimi nimeonelea abaki kwa shule kwa sababu akiwa shuleni ako kwa mkono mzuri ya serikali. Mimi nikienda naye nyumbani naweza kushindwa kumtibu.
Uthuthuria ni wambikitwo Minister wa Githomo Ezekiel Machogo na murunawe wa ugima wa mwiri Susan Kumicha makiuga gikundi kia maafitha mugwanja ni matumitwo thukuru-ini uyu niguo gutafania uthuthuria makiria wigie murimu uyu.
We are waiting for the outcome of the investigations that are being done, but in the meantime, we have sent some of them home and they will be coming back to school on Monday.
We did 5 tests were done, samples, and there was no any bacterial pathogen that can be conclusively referred to as causing the issue.
Na Kumicha augite gukinyiria hwaini wa ira arutwo 95 nio mararigitagirwo thibitari-ini itiganite kaunti-ini ya Kakamega.
So several samples have been brought to Nairobi to Cambridge, and investigations are ongoing. As soon as we get any information, then we shall be able to share it. But I would like to call upon members and the public to remain calm as we manage the situation.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, jitagwo Ngina wa Wandirwa.